What up, peeps? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting on something I purchased 2 weeks ago. Actually, like 3 weeks ago. I got it in the mail a couple days ago. And with the route I'm going with the car, it kind of shifted a little bit. I was going to make the car a full-blown race car, but I'm like, then I can't enjoy it on the street, and I can only enjoy it when I take it out to the track. So I want to keep it on the street. So I'm actually going to put on this goodie that I purchased. Let's check it out. So I purchased these APR mirrors. I purchased them off Art of Attack. Thank you guys. I already opened them and took a look at them before I opened them. But yeah, you got your little thank you card. I'm gonna put that sticker on. Look at that carbon, boy. Yeah, they're nice. They're really lightweight. And they look pretty cool. Man, I can't get over how nice they look. So nice and lightweight. Got all your hardware. Some Allen keys. And your APR base plates. Look at that. Dirty. This is a little bit on the heavier side, not too much, but I bet you this with that and the hardware, it's a lot lighter than the OEM mirror. So now that I got these all out and ready to assemble, I'm gonna assemble them real quick, and then I'm gonna take off the stock mirrors. They look like crap. When I painted it, you can see a lot of overspray, well, not overspray, run marks from me throwing too much clear, and some spots in here I didn't paint too well. You know, first time really actually painting my car, so whatever. So get rid of these, assemble these, and then I'll show you what they look like outside. Okay, I've been trying to figure out how to put these together, because I'm better with picture instructions, and this doesn't really tell me too much. Or maybe I'm just retarded. Anyways, I figured out how the mirror goes. So the J part, the longer part goes in. It goes in, so then you can put the Allen bolt on top and tighten it down. So this mirror is on my right side, right? But the problem, I figured that out. The problem I was trying to figure out is how do you put this together? So it comes with I forgot what you call that, but that's in there. That's these things. That's in there, and you have to take it out with the Allen key. Once you take it out, you use this. You put it in the hole with the ball facing towards you, towards the inside of this. So once you have it there, it sticks out like yay. And then it comes with a little washer that you put after in the hole, just like that. And then you put this in. And once you put that in, you're good to go. You tighten it. So that's how you put these together. I was fighting trying to figure out how to put them together, but I got it. So let me continue here. Finally, I got them on. After adjustments, and they look good. Whew. And here's a little dark in here, but let's check out the other side. It looks so tiny. They look good. They look like little cups, but I like them. They look good. I'm gonna take the car to the car wash tomorrow. It's getting shitty outside today, so I'm gonna pull it out. That way you guys can see it in the sun tomorrow. Not too bad. They look nice. I like it. I can dig it. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I have nothing major going on. I have to figure out what my next moves are with the car. I'm just gonna drink some beer, chill out, tinker with it, and if something major comes up, I'll film it. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.